Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to have the concept of CSR. Most of the students are not aware like what is CSR. Do you aware? Do you have? Everyone must be knowing that CSR is corporate social responsibility. Now in a simple term we are just going to break down these words. Now if there is a word corporate means organization, any of the business sector, any of the company that is known as a corporate. But whenever the word social comes, it means it is related to the society. That is social. Whenever the word social comes, it means it is related to the society. That is the social. And in the simple terms, now it can be split up like corporate social responsibility. That is CSR. Now in the simple language, according to Companies Act 2013, it has been made compulsory to each and every company whose profit is more than 500 crore, like 2% of the company's profit has to be donated to the society. Now, in terms of what they have to help to the society and why they have to help to the society. Now, in a simple term, it is very important that if the company is in the society, so obviously they have to give something to the society in return. If they are earning more and more profit, it is being made compulsory according to Companies Act 2013 that 2% of their net profit they have to provide to the society. Now, for example, many companies, many bigger companies, many large enterprises are doing CSR activities in terms of like they are helping to the society. Many organization has helped during the COVID times also, like plantation of trees and many women empowerment program. They are also helping to the women empowerment program like free of education child program, then retail sector, nursing sector. They are helping to each and every sector for growing our society. That is what the CSR is all about. That is corporate social responsibility. Here I have written that it is a business approach where companies contribute to sustainable development. Now, whenever the word sustainable comes, in the simple term, it means every company wants to sustain in the market, right? So what they are going to do for the development of the society, but not only the society but also benefiting the society, to the environment, and yes, to the stakeholders. CSR is very vast topic. I am much aware about all the CSR topics and what are the CSR activities, what the companies have been involved in, what are the communities, what are the activities they are giving back to the society, because I had done my PhD in corporate social responsibility. Like I have spent my 6 to 7 years for CSR. So what are the in detail study regarding CSR activities? What exactly the society are getting in return of the profit contributed to the society? We will do in the next video the brief about the CSR activities. So thank you so much for today's and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.